Hello friends, welcome to this session of LaTeX tutorial, and in this session we are going to discuss multi-column document. There are two options to get multi-column document in LaTeX. One is to use two-column option in document class or to use package multi-col. Instead of typing preamble and all those things, we will get template from wizards. Quick start, document class article. We'll keep all other options same, and in title I will write multi-column document. Okay, and we have this template now. Now we will use first option to get multi-column document, that is using two column option in document class. Two column. Please note that we have added this option in document class. This two column is added as option to our document class, and this option works for book class also, work for letter class also, and for other classes also. And here I will use another package that is not necessary for your document, but here to get automated text I need it. Use package blind text, and this saves my time of typing. And here I will write command make title of our document, and here that blind text to get automated text, and I want 6 repetitions or replications of blind text. I will compile this, and this two column document is there, and the spillover of column is there on the next page. Here this space is very little, and that space we can control using one command in preamble, that is set length command, and after set length in curly brackets we will have column shape backslash column shape, and we will set the column separation 1 centimeter. In curly bracket we have to enclose this 1 centimeter. I will compile, and this 1 centimeter separation is there. But you can see here that whole document two column structure. If we want first paragraph to be single column, second paragraph two column, third paragraph three column, or likewise we can have control over number of columns during the document, then we need to use another option, that is use package multi-column. And to use that we will remove this two column option from document class, and here in preamble I will declare use package multi-col, and spelling mistake multi-col. And if you haven't installed multi-column on your computer, then during compilation of this document, uh, if you haven't installed multi-column on your computer, then during compilation your Text Studio will install that for you. To get multi-column, we'll start environment multi-cols, begin multi-cols, and this n will replace with number of columns we want, that is 3. And here I will use slash blind text to get automated text, and just 2 iterations of blind text, and we'll compile this. Here these 2 iterations of blind text are in 3 columns, whereas other portion of our article which we got by this automated blind text is in 2 column format, because our document is 2 column. Now here we'll remove this 2 column option and again compile to see the effect. Now the first part of our document, that begin multi-cols environment, that is in 3 column, other part is in single column. We have control over number of columns. Now this 1 centimeter separation we can change 0.5 centimeter column separation. We'll see the effect. Okay. Now it looks proper. We can play with geometry also, we can play with margins also to space the column. Use package geometry, we will use geometry, and in geometry in options we'll use the right margin slightly reduced, that is 1 centimeter, and we'll see the effect that 3 columns are now slightly wide, because we have played with the margins. But I don't recommend to play with the margins, but if it is necessary then you can. Now here we will add another one, that is 2 column, this begin multi-call and all things I will copy, paste it. Number of columns I will change to 2 and will compile it. A second paragraph is in 2 columns. Likewise, we can use multiple columns wherever we want in our document. That's all for today's session. Thank you for watching this video. And if you like the video, please hit the like button. Share this video with your friends. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. And to get notifications of my new videos, please click the bell icon. Thank you.